Many aspects contribute to the success of any business, and one of the most important ones for your organization is your fleet. It is crucial to ensure optimal health and performance for your vehicles to reap their complete benefit. But when you have to take care of everything, including vehicle maintenance, fuel consumption, trip details, inspections, operational budgets, and more, it can get very chaotic. Other softwares cost a lot more, and you may pay for features that you never use. That's why we've created Simply Fleet, the ultimate fleet management solution that will allow you to automate, analyze, and manage your fleet operations with ease. This easy-to-use platform gives you all the necessary tools to track fuel consumption, get maintenance reminders, schedule vehicle inspections, track trip details, manage expenses, and maintain driver data. It is also 100% cloud compliant, allowing you to store all the inspection reports, driver documents, fuel receipts, repair records, and more in one single place for easy and quick access anytime, anywhere. All you have to do is register on our web portal or download the app, add your drivers, add as many vehicles as you want, and start tracking. Ultimately, you will save time and money and optimize your fleet management seamlessly. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. www.simply-fleet.com